going on, everybody? Shady Low back here again. Another quick video. First of all, I just want to thank everybody for showing love on my previous videos. I hope you guys find the Apple Watch stuff helpful. I'm going to try posting more as soon as possible. Again, if you guys have any suggestions, leave them in the comments and I'll do my best. I have just about every Apple product there is, so I can do a video or a tutorial on anything you guys might need. So with that being said, let's jump right into the next video. This is going to be on how to check the battery health on your iPhone. And this will be helpful because it'll allow you to kind of get a better idea of the total health of your iPhone battery. It'll tell you if you need a replacement battery, that is, if it's in good condition, if it's working properly, things like that. So I think it's a really cool feature that they included in the iPhone. Kind of gives you a better idea of how long you might want to keep the phone longer, if you're gonna go get a battery replacement, or look into a new purchase, or if you're looking to upgrade, things like that. So yeah, let's jump to the iPhone now. It's gonna be a really quick video. I hope you guys enjoy. Again, thank you guys so much for just taking the time to watch the videos, and I hope you guys find it helpful. So let's go to the iPhone. Alright guys, first of all, please forgive me for the video quality on this part. I'm using my iPad to record the video, so I can show you exactly where to look on your settings. Your home layout is going to look pretty different. You're going to want to look for settings wherever it is on your iPhone. Open that up, and we're going to scroll down to a section titled Battery. So I'll show you a couple cool things in here before I go to the next menu. This section actually breaks down some pretty cool stuff about your battery. You get to see your battery level at different hours of the day, your activity, how much you were using the iPhone, what apps were being used at the time. You can see it by percentage, and you can also tap on this right here to toggle, and it'll show you minutes as well, which I think is pretty cool. Especially if you have like kids and things like that. It's a good way to kind of monitor what apps are being used, how they're using their iPhone, how long they're using their iPhone, and things like that. So that's pretty cool. You can also switch it to the last 10 days, and that gives you like an overview of everything, all apps, things like that. And then from there, you're going to want to click on battery health. So in this menu, mainly everyone looks for the maximum capacity percentage, and that number right there is basically the total health of your battery at the given time that you're checking it. As you can see, this is a measure of battery capacity relative to when it was new, and basically you start out at 100%, and over time and over use, you're gonna notice it decrease. I've had my iPhone for about 2 years now, so I mean I think that's pretty expected in my opinion. It's still running good, as you can see right here under peak performance capability. That's usually where it will show you if your battery needs replacement. You're going to see a message that says battery degraded or battery might need service, something similar to that. And in my case, it says your battery is currently supporting normal peak performance, and that's the standard message that usually everyone's going to see, especially with new phones. I believe once you go under 70%, somewhere around there, is where it might need to replace your battery. Um, so I mean, I might have to do that soon, but I'll probably be upgrading anytime. So anytime within the next few weeks. So I'm not really worried about the battery on this one. You also have the option to use the optimized battery charging. I have that enabled. I'm not really sure if it helps at all, but basically what it's supposed to do is reduce battery aging. The iPhone is supposed to learn from your daily charging routines, so it can wait to finish charging past 80% until you need to use it. So I guess this is a way of how it manages your use versus how it charges, and how fast it charges or how slow it charges based on um, how much you're using the phone, how frequent, what apps, and how much power it needs to run at that given time. So that's basically it, guys. If you guys have any questions about this, um, I'm not a battery expert, but if you have any questions about the battery, or you want to see any other videos, any other settings on the iPhone, please leave them in the comments below, and yeah, we'll make another video, whatever it takes to help you guys out. So I hope you guys find this helpful. Um, Please like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. I really appreciate it. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.